Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tasty Treats. I am Sushmita and today I am going to make something which is packed with protein, iron and vitamins and is considered a super nutritious food. Today I am going to make mutton liver curry or kaleji masala, or in Bengali we call it mete chachuri. This simple recipe turns out super delicious and I recommend that you definitely try this at your home and let me know your feedback in the comment section. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel to encourage me posting more yummy recipes like this. Let's start cooking. I have used 1 pound or 450 grams of mutton liver. For the curry, we need 1 large onion finely chopped, 1 tomato chopped in chunks, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of coriander and cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. For tempering, we need 2 dry red chilies, 2 bay leaves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 green cardamoms, 5 to 6 cloves, 1 teaspoon of Jeera or black cumin seeds and a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. I have cooked the curry in ghee. You can replace ghee with vegetable oil. In a large pan, I have heated 2 tablespoons of ghee. I am adding all the whole spices to temper the oil now. When you can smell the beautiful aroma of the spices, add chopped onions and fry till golden brown. While onions are frying, I will mix all the powdered spices and ginger garlic paste to make a smooth paste with a little water. Doing so prevents the dry spices from burning in the hot oil. Now, as the onions are fried, I am adding the chopped tomatoes and the spice paste that I made. Cook till the raw smell of the tomatoes and the spices are gone and oil starts to surface at the edges. It's time to add mutton liver and cook till the reddish color turns into dark grey. Add a cup of hot water at this point. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on medium heat. Add salt and sugar as per your taste. Add 1 more cup of hot water at this point. Cover and cook for another 15 minutes on medium heat. After 15 minutes, check if you can break the mutton liver pieces with your spoon and it is not spongy anymore. Cover and cook for 2 more minutes. Turn off the heat and add a tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Mix well and mutton liver curry is ready to be served. So that was mutton liver curry for us. Definitely try this at your home and let me know your feedback. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel Tasty Treats. Eat well, live well. Bye bye.